Deadly storm Ciarán lashes UK and Western Europe with strong rain and wind. With winds expected to exceed 85 miles per hour in some areas, Britain's weather agency issued its second highest level of alert for parts of southern England. The storm that battered northwestern France overnight lashed Britain and much of Western Europe on Thursday, with heavy rains and strong winds that left at least 6 people dead. The storm, given the name kee-RAHN, pummeled France's Atlantic coast with record-breaking winds. Gusts of about 120 miles per hour were recorded in parts of Brittany that left at least 1 person dead and 1.2 million customers without power. As the storm moved north, falling trees killed at least 1 person in the Harz mountains of Germany and another person in the eastern part of the Netherlands. Heavy winds also ripped through Belgium, killing 2 people in the city of Ghent. Spain was also battered by winds and rain. 1 woman was killed in Madrid, according to a spokesperson at the City Council Emergencies Department. Britain's weather agency issued an amber warning, its second highest level of alert, for parts of southern England, saying that winds expected to exceed 85 miles per hour in some areas could create a danger to life. The Coast Guard warned people to stay away from the water's edge, and the port of Dover temporarily suspended all sailings because of the adverse conditions.
That was an air escape.
In southwestern England, photos show large waves crashing into the shore in Devon and down trees blocking roads in Falmouth. The highway authorities in Kent in southeastern England said that numerous roads were closed because of the fallen trees. In Jersey, one of the Channel Islands between France and England, schools were shattered, the airport was closed, and more than 80 people were evacuated from their homes as the local government declared the storm a major incident. Wind gusts of 93 miles per hour were recorded there on Thursday morning, according to Britain's weather agency, the Met Office. Storm Ciarán caused significant damage, brought down a huge number of trees, caused power cuts, and blocked much of the island's road network, the local government said in a post on social media. It added that the schools would remain closed for a second day on Friday as the authorities worked to clear the roads. but offered comparatively a good news in saying that widespread coastal flooding had been avoided because high tide wasn't as bad as first feared. As of late afternoon, more than 80 flood warnings remained in place around England.